So, you want to know how to turn off mipmapping, or interpolation, or whatever else you want to call it. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back in Blender 2.8 Eevee once again, taking a look at how to do what I just said. So, typically you're going to want to do this with pixel art. You're probably not going to be doing it with anything else. But yeah, pixel art looks blurry just like this. You've imported it. You know, it doesn't look very great. You're trying to figure out what's going on and why it looks like that. Previously in Blender, they had a setting up in preferences, but they don't have that anymore. So the way you do it now is you go to the material tab here, right here, and then you go to this thing that says linear, right beneath your actual image, and then you change this from linear to closest. And as you can see, boom, pixel art, fantastic. Yeah, a lot of people ask me about this. There it is. I got so many comments about this. It's not even funny, like so very many. So I figured I'd look into it. Boom, there you go. It's right here. I mean, it's, yeah, there you go. So, it's interpolation. It's called interpolation now, not Mipmap. That's why a lot of people got confused. Hope that helped you out a little bit. If it did, make sure to let me know down below as always. Definitely like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah, so I'll see you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next tutorial. But, until then, bye-bye.